Good evening, everyone. It is August 15th, 2017. We're doing 2017 Panini Unparalleled Football, 3-box break, number 5, random teams. So, roll the dice. A 1 and a 3, so we're going to go 4 times on the list of names and the teams. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After 4 times, Brandon's at the top. Derek Moore, you're at the bottom. Alright, so 4 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After 4 times, we had 4 times there. Cardinals at the top. Buffalo Bills are at the bottom. Brandon Gomes with the Cardinals. Chunk, you have the Jags. Brad with the Colts. Sean, you have the Bears. Dustin with the Steelers. Booker. G with the Saints. C-Shep, you got the Raiders. Chris Yates with the Redskins. Paul with the Falcons. Adam with the Bengals. Reggie, you got the Chiefs. Karen with the Patriots. Nick Jones with the Broncos. Craig, you got the Chargers. Excuse me. Chris W with the Cowboys. Kayla, you have the Eagles. Booker with the Lions. David K with the Packers. Chris with the 49ers. Matthew with the Panthers. Booker G with the Ravens. Allen with the Texans. Joseph Kavanaugh with the Seahawks and Giants. Matthew Long with the Rams. JP Last Spot Mojo with the Jets. Tice with the Titans. Joseph with the Vikings. Anthony T with the Bucks. Jonathan B with the Dolphins. Jason with the Browns. And Derek with the Buffalo Bills. I'm going to quickly pause the video, guys, see if there's any trades, and if not, we'll come back and open up these 3 boxes of Unparalleled Football, so stick around. Welcome back. A couple trade activity, but no trades were completed. Alright, so, random teams, number 5, 3-box break. Good luck to everybody in the break. Last Spot Mojo, JP with the Jets. Alright, we have 4 boxes remaining. We're doing 3 boxes out of this break. Just like I was saying before I unpaused the video, we have box 1, 5, 6, and 15. Just because I know some people are superstitious, just the way I am, I'm going to keep it the same way. We're going to use the true random number generator. But if it gets to get ridiculous, where it's been like 10, 15 times and I still can't generate one of these box numbers, we'll just pretend this is box 1, 2, 3, and 4. But we'll keep it the same way. That's just a alternative in case it gets too crazy. Hopefully not. Hopefully I just didn't jinx it. So let's generate one of these boxes. So box 1, 5, 6, and 15 are available. We got to generate 3. So let's see what we can do here. There were a total of 20 boxes. Good luck. First box. Boom. 3. No, not available. 5. There we go. That was quick. All right, we got 1 box generated. Box 5. Put that right there. Next one. 16. No. 4. No. 11, no. 20, no. 16, no. 9, 2, 9, 1. There we go. Okay, that one only took about 5 times or so. Okay, maybe a little bit more. 1 is generated. There we go. So 2 boxes remaining. Box 6 or box 15 will be the last box for this break. 6 or 15. Nope. There we go. Box 6. All right, it didn't take too long then. So there we go. Box 6. I assume we'll open up a fresh case and either use the fresh case. We'll add this box and then obviously generate 2 more boxes from a fresh case in the next break. So there we go. Good luck. We may be backed up. We've been, you know, just crushing through breaks so far today. So I haven't had time to upload any videos. So just bear with me. We'll upload some videos. We'll find time right now. Maybe we'll take like a 10-minute break just so I can upload some videos. We have done a lot of breaks today. All right, guys. Good luck. Got a blank. Remember, these are not numbered, but never know. Not numbered, but this one will be. Ryan Anderson. 97 of 99. Washington Redskins going to Chris Yates. Jeremy Hill. 95 of 99. I'll go back and make sure, double check I didn't miss any as well. It's going to the Bengals and Edwin. And we got a 6 of 10. Oh, look at this patch. Kind of looks like a little Spectra look, right? Joe Williams for the 49ers. That is 6 of 10. Nice right there. Patch autograph. '49ers going to Chris Yates. No number in there. But we got a gold. Jonathan Allen. That is 95 of 199. Hey, what's going on, Kyle? Did you grab some spots in Premier as well, or maybe saving some spots for tomorrow? Premier's gonna be glorious. Can't wait for that till tomorrow. All right, we got Melvin Gordon zoned in for the Los Angeles Chargers. That is 1 of 25. That's going to Craig S. Although it does say San Diego Chargers, we all know they're LA now. Just got to update our sheets. This guy for the Kansas City Chiefs. 7 of 299. Kansas City going to Reggie. Oh, it's all good, Kyle. I mean, there's a lot of other good teams too as well. They're going to have some really, really nice hits. It's definitely, if you could, still get a spot in a break or something like that. 22 of 49. Gary Barnidge going to the Browns and Jason Taylor. Yeah, I'm not even going to try to embarrass myself with some names anymore. I've already learned my lesson. Matthew Stafford, little gold right there. 104 of 199. Detroit, going to Booker G. David, that is 15 of 25. Another hit for the Browns and Jason Taylor. And we got Chad Hansen, 5 of 25. Autograph. New York Jets, last spot mojo. Going to JP. Star Factor. 39 of 99. Like I said, I ain't gonna embarrass myself no more. TJ Logan, 64 499. You know what's funny is some of these names that I don't obviously know in football, I may not know how to pronounce them right, but since I watch so much hockey, I do know how to pronounce most of the names. Jerrion Conley, 85 of 499. So hockey is not so hard for me. For a lot of other people, it is very hard. But I'm used to all the names in hockey. All right, let's turn these around really quick. Make sure I didn't miss any numbered cards. All right, cool. All right, So there's box 1. Put that right over there. Box 2. All right, Seth. Well, we'll get those breaks cracked open once we finish this one. It's all good. Continue to sell out breaks, guys. Continue to sell out breaks. Also, too, let me OJ Howard right at the start to bat, 22 of 199, relic. Buccaneers going to Anthony T. Cairo Santos, not numbered. We know this one's numbered. Marcus Williams, 63 of 499. Saints, Booker G. And we got Adam Shaheen, autograph, 34 of 99. Noah Brown, Dallas Cowboys, 327 of 499. Dallas going to Chris W. We got Jamais. That is 12 of 49. Olawea. It's going to the Raiders and C-Shep. TJ Logan, 97 of 99. Arizona Cardinals, Brandon G. We got Albert McClellan, 172 of 199. Baltimore Ravens, Booker G. And we got Star Factor, Le'Veon Bell, 2 of 25. Pittsburgh Steelers, going to Dustin Witzel. Sterling Sharp, 42 of 199. Packers, David K. And we got Ryan Switzer, 61 of 199. Dallas Cowboys, Chris W. And for the Eagles, Elijah Qualls, autograph. That is 85 of 99. Philadelphia Eagles, Kayla Jones. Yeah, some of them are numbered. I do turn them around and look to make sure, Reggie. So at the end of when I finish the box, I do make sure and look behind them as well. I appreciate that, man. Hassan Reddick, 29 of 299. Cardinals, winner Brandon G. We got Anthony Walker Jr., 113 of 149. Cameron Brett. 2 of 15. A little no numbered right there for the Buccaneers. Tampa Bay, where are you at? Anthony T. And there you go. Let me make sure these aren't numbered. I know the numbers are in the back, but let's make sure. Oh, okay. Now, usually this is the only second time I've done this, so that's why I still check them. But I've pretty much got the colors down, because it's usually just the obscure colors now. Because the normal colors that you normally see, that are just either color variations, I assume. This is a normal color in a break now. This pink is a normal color. It's not numbered. So pretty much you see those. All the other random colors you see, like in this one. So obviously this red is a little different. The purple. This pink has a little bit of variation in it. The gold. But yeah. Alright. 2 boxes down. 1 more to go. It's still confusing though. I remember when I first did this, even Nick was like, all of these cards look like they're numbered. But then obviously once you get through like a box or two, you start to realize that the colors are like, normal green and the normal pink, and then when you start seeing the weird colors is when you're like, okay, those are numbered. And then mostly in every pack, as you notice, like, it's numbered right there. So you kind of see the way they're going with it. That's a really nice product though. I actually like this Unparalleled football. It kind of reminds me of Spectra. Obviously not as expensive as Spectra, but really, really nice. Fun product to rip. I've always liked products like that have all the colors like this. It looks really, really nice. Fun product. Last box, guys. Whoa. Right here, Cameron Hunt. Nice patch autograph. Kansas City Chiefs. Reggie, tried to trade, but couldn't trade Mojo. Did come into effect. That is card number 6 of 99. Patch autographs for the Kansas City Chiefs. All right, we got Hanson Reddick. 119 of 199. Arizona Cardinals. Brandon G. Marcus Mariota. That is 36 of 199 for the Titans. Going to Tice. My boy Mariota is going to kill it this year. No numbering there. Nice Adoree Jackson. 5 of 25. Another hit for the Titans and Tice. Got to see this guy up and close here in LA. Did a good play for the USC Trojans. Adoree Jackson was a great addition to the Titans as well. I'm a big Eagles fan, guys, but I do support the Tennessee Titans because of Mariota's there. And the Tennessee Titans are drafting the right way, and they're getting better and better every single year. Nice back-to-back hits for the Titans. We have for the Green Bay Packers, Aaron Ripkowski, 9 of 99. Packers going to David K. Ryan Anderson, 399 of 499. Redskins going to Chris. Not numbered there. We got a Troy Aikman, 137 of 199. Dallas Cowboys going to Chris W. All right, last little stack right here. Got a blank. We got Jake Butt, Denver Broncos, 96 of 149. Denver Broncos, Nick Jones. And we got Kenny Golladay, 72 of 99. Detroit Lions, going to Booker G. Jordan Howard, 13 of 25. That's for the Bears and Sean. Tim Williams, 188 of 299. Baltimore Ravens, Booker G. Greg Olsen for the Panthers, 132 of 189. Panthers, Matthew Long. And to end the break, TJ Watt for the Steelers. 387 of 499. Pittsburgh Steelers and Dustin. Oh yeah, Colts Nation. I mean, look, I'm a big Andrew Luck fan. I got to see him a couple times too play here against USC. Big Andrew Luck fan. I just feel that they need to protect that dude. That dude is, one of the best, purest quarterbacks that came out of the draft. Like Elway, just ready to come in and tear it up, and he has. But gotta keep him protected. So they need more weapons from him, and obviously a much better line. We need to keep him healthy. But he's a very, very elite quarterback. All right, guys, but that was the break. That was Unparalleled Football. 3-box break number 5. We'll post up number 6. $10 breaks. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.